Hi everyone, what I'm going to do is show you how to change the battery in a Gardiners Backpack. It's easier than you think, but it can be harder than you think as well until you get to know actually how to do it. With the big boy backpacks, what you do, you undo these screws here around the edge and you split it. Well, that's what I did with this one, and I quickly realised that that's not how you do it. It was quite a tough job. In fact, what you do, the 6 screws at the bottom here, okay, you take all these out and you can see that I've taken them out already just here, and the bottom comes off. Simple as that. What you want to do first though, of course, empty the backpack if you're going to do this indoors, and also put a kink in the pipe so you don't get any leaks. I had that going all over the floor from the residue of water. Then you've got 4 screws here. I hope you can see this alright. This is what I'm doing. Yeah, good picture. Undo these 4 screws. You've got the base of the battery pack here, and your battery just slides out like that. You can see that clearly. Okay, I've already changed this battery, okay, to save time. The old one, I can't believe how big and heavy it was. It's a 12 volt sealed lead acid battery, okay, made in China of course. So I thought, well, this is duff anyway, it won't recharge. I've tried to charge it, it's finished. But you don't need one that big, you really don't. It's a 12 amp hour. I've been using 7 amp hour batteries on my backpacks, although to be honest this one is a 9 amp hour, so it'll be perfectly good for this backpack, I promise you. Okay, so you take the old battery out, dispose of it. Now the connections, you can either use a soldering iron if you want. I don't know whether I've done that on here, I don't think I did. I just twisted the wires on, used a load of tape on top. I've always done that, it's worked. And then twist the wires together. You can solder them or use proper connections, but to be honest, I've never bothered. Bit of insulation tape, if you do it well enough it'll work. Now you'll notice that this battery tray is too big for this battery, so all I've done is put a bit of double-sided tape under there to keep it on. But what you'll find is that the battery itself, it squashes up against the roof of the backpack here. I think it's designed that way, so it's not going to go anywhere anyway. So then you just put it back together again and job done. Piece of cake. This one works. You can hear that. You can see the lights, green, orange and red. That's working just fine. So that's perfect. So that's how to change the battery on the Gardiners Backpack. Okay, and that's job done. There's my face.